Assembling the V-bricks is equally easy, but it works in a slightly different way to the U-bricks. When assembling V-bricks, always make sure that the bungs at the front are facing to the stern of the boat or the back where the motor is located, and everything from there is simple. Just align the tabs in the order of 4, 3, 2, 1, and everything will come together nice and quickly. To connect the V-bricks and the standard bricks, we'll be using one of these, which is called a V-brick pin. Simply push the pin through the interlocking tabs all the way through. You can double check with your rubber mallet that it's made it all the way through those tabs. Once it's in place, simply connect with the FloatBricks wrench. A simple 45-degree twist will lock it into place, and that's all you need to do. Replicate that process for every connection between a V-brick and a standard brick, and the rest of the process is really simple. Once you've assembled the dock, go all the way around the outside and connect the tabs around the perimeter. To do this, use a bolt and a nut. All you have to do is push this bolt through the tabs, as so. Make sure it's gone all the way through the tabs, and then tighten up the nut. Turn that until it clicks, repeat all the way around the outside of the dock, and you'll have it made in minutes. These 3 videos will show you how to assemble the standard brick, the V-brick and the U-brick. You can click on those now to watch the videos.